Hello children, let us continue chapter number 13, way to multiply and divide. Today we are going to start page number 172 of your textbook. Here it is, some word problems are given. First let us read and then after we are going to solve it. Let us read. Shantaram, a special cook. The first one sum is given. Shantaram is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year he was called for only 28 days. For each day he has to be paid rupees 165. Find out how much money he will get in all. His earning in one day is given 165 rupees and he is working for 28 days. So total amount we are going to find it out. So let us solve the sum. So here in our solution, first one we have to mention that salary paid to Shantaram for one day is equal to rupees 165. This one is your first sentence. Then after, the salary paid for 28 days. So for 28 days we are going to calculate, that is rupees 165 multiplied by 28. Now children, you know multiplication method very well, so do proper multiplication and you will get the answer 4620. So don't forget to put your answer like this. The money he gets in all is 4620. So this is the solution of our sum. Same way the second one is given. If he is called for all days of the year, how much salary will he get? So now first one children, we have to mention that in 1 year how many days are there? Obviously 365. So the multiplication is given here, 165 multiplied by 365. So let us solve this sum also. So here it is, the multiplication I have mentioned here. After doing proper multiplication, our answer is 60,225. So final answer have to write is salary he gets in 1 year is equal to rupees 60,225. Is it clear children? Okay. And the third one is given. Now find the salaries of the minister and the horse rider for 1 year. Now from where do we find this salary of minister and horse rider? It is given in our previous page. It is given, that is the salary of minister is mentioned 195 rupees, horse rider it is given rupees 76 and cook is given 65. So accordingly we have to mention these values and have to do multiplication for this. Okay, let us do this. So here the first one is mentioned, the minister gets rupees 195 in one day. So salary for 1 year, that is again we have to convert 1 year in days. So 195 multiplied by 365. So after doing multiplication, our final answer is 71,175. So answer have to mention that minister gets rupees 71,175 in a year. Same way for horse rider, it is also mentioned, horse rider gets rupees 76 in a day. So for 1 day he gets 76 rupees. So again we for 1 year have to find out. So have to do multiplication, 76 multiplied by 365. So after multiplication, our answer is 27,740. So mention the answer over here. Horse rider gets rupees 27,740 in 1 year. Is it clear children? Let us continue. So the next topic is given, that is years and years. So यहाँ पे हमें कुछ glass of water फाइंड आउट करना है. द फर्स्ट वन इज गिवन, सोहम ड्रिंक्स 8 glasses of water every day. So in 1 day 8 glasses of water is consumed by Sohan. So we have to calculate the second one. How many glasses will he drink in 1 month? So 1 month, whenever children it is day is given and you have to find out the month. So month have to convert into days. So 1 month generally we take 30 days. Okay. If year is there, so 365 days we take. If 1 week is given, so generally we take 7 days for 1 week. So accordingly you have to convert days in of months, years or weeks as per the requirement or as per the given definition. So let us solve this. The second one is given, that is how many glasses will he drink in 1 year. Then the third one is given, if 125 people living in a colony drink 8 glasses of water in a day, how much water will they drink in a year. So all these three sums, let us solve this. So the first one is given, glasses of water in a day by Soham, that is 8 glasses are mentioned. Glasses of water in 1 month, 1 month that is multiplied by 30. So our answer is 240 glasses. Same way glasses of water in 1 year, अगर एक दिन में 8 ग्लासेस है तो एक ईयर में कितने ग्लासेस होंगे. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 8 द नंबर बाय 365. सो आवर आंसर इज 2920 glasses of water. Now the third one definition is given, that is for 125 people we have to mention. So if one person drinks 8 glasses in a day, so how many glasses consumed by 125 persons? So we can write this statement like this, one person is equal to 8 glasses. So 125 persons is equal to 125 multiplied by 8. So answer is 1000 glasses in 1 day. Okay. So now the answer have to mention 125 persons drink the 1000 glasses of water every day. So we have to find out for 1 year how much of water is consumed. So water drink in 1 year is equal to 365 multiplied by 1000. So 3,65,000 glasses of waters are consumed. Water is consumed by the 125 people. Okay children, so this was the solution of given exercise. Now some more sums are given, that is B, C and D. It is your homework. It is given on page number 173. और सम जो है जैसे हमने आगे के सम्स किए हैं सेम ऐसे ही है, सेम मेथड इज देयर, यू हैव टू फॉलो एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू डू. सो जस्ट डू इट in your classwork notebook. Okay children, thank you, bye bye.